Good morning students. Today we discuss about atmospheric pressure. Does air exert any pressure? Liquid exert pressure in all direction. We see already. Now see this example. Here we put a container which is filled of some water. Here gravitational force is acting on it. Gravitational force pull it toward itself. That is the downward pressure. We say that it is downward pressure. If we divide into three layers, now we see here bottom layer exists more pressure due to the weight of water. That is, pressure decreases as the height is increases, and pressure is at all the sides in the container. At any point in a liquid, pressure is the same in all direction. Okay. Now see, we will see the next example where air, we see the air around us. Now gravitational force is also exerted on it. Also there is some gravitational force which is act in the downward direction. Now here air exists, that is the air pressure is also exists, and atmosphere with different layers exists different pressure. We know about all these spheres around the earth, that is troposphere, stratosphere. We see that the pressure is high at troposphere. Why this happen? Because the weight of air above the troposphere is greater than weight of air above stratosphere, and due to this there is a high pressure near the ground level. That is the high atmospheric pressure, we can say, near the ground level due to the weight of the above layer. Now if we consider these 2 points which is different directions, but here we see that pressure is same all points. Now see the graph here. If we draw here a graph, that is pressure in millibar and altitude here in kilometer, then we see here troposphere having much more pressure than the other sphere. Okay, so from this we can say that the pressure, and the pressure is measured in the unit of Pascal, or we can say that Newton per meter square. Now see this example. We put this table here. On this table the force is acting on site under such a heavy pressure. We see here at the sea level the atmospheric pressure is near about 101 into 10 to the power 3. It is near about the 10 car. Here at the top of table the force, that is the atmospheric pressure, is acting. Now here under such heavy pressure, why doesn't the table top crumble down? Why it does not crumble? Now see here pressure is at all over the directions. Means here atmospheric pressure is the ratio of the weight divided by the area of the surface, and here pressure is at all over the direction. Here pressure above and below is equal and direction is opposite, and so this pressure acting in opposite directions cancel each other. This force which acting opposite to each other cancel each other, and therefore the table is not crumble down. Now see this example. Here we put a bottle which is full of some water. We take a paper sheet on it, and then we invert it. Now see what happened. Yes, here water is not come out. Water is not come out because here air pressure is acting. That is on the opposite direction, so here pressure will be balanced. But if we make a pinhole, then here pressure is, that is upward pressure, is stop acting. No, it is reduced. No, here remain the same, upward pressure remain the same, but downward pressure is increases, and downward pressure is increases due to this air pressure, the water is come outside. Downward pressure, air plus water, is greater than the upward pressure of air, and for this reason this water is come down from the bottle. It is due to the net force which is acting on it. Okay, so see again, watch it carefully. Now, physical pressure of gases. Matter. So today we will discuss about the atmospheric pressure, and in our next video we will discuss our next topic.